People are born with different natural teeth colors, but this can change over time. Teeth discoloration may occur on the surface, extrinsic, affecting the enamel of the tooth, largely caused by food and beverages. Intrinsic discoloration occurs in the dentin that is caused by overexposure to fluoride and effect of taking medicines. Discoloration can be corrected by dental procedures or using home remedies for teeth whitening. Causes: food and drinks, smoking, alcohol consumption, age, dentures, dental accessories, medications and underlying medical conditions. Symptoms: yellow-colored teeth apart from the normal teeth color, tartar buildup on teeth and gums, age, medications and underlying medical conditions. Here are best 10 home remedies for teeth whitening. As the enamel thins out, yellow or brown color of the teeth begins to show up. Stains are evidenced by yellow or brown spots that dull out the teeth and cannot be removed just by brushing. Prevention of tooth discoloration comes in making some lifestyle changes. The best at-home teeth whitening products can be used to remedy dull teeth and promote total oral health. 1. Betel leaves. While betel nut are notorious for staining teeth red, rubbing betel leaves on teeth is an excellent whitening practice since ancient times. It also helps strengthen the intrinsic structure of the teeth to prevent it from chipping off. Betel leaves are best when used as mouthwash. 1. To prepare betel leaves mouthwash, boil a glass of water. 2. Remove from heat and soak 3 to 5 betel leaves. 3. Once lukewarm, use the decoction as mouth rinse. 4. Use regularly. Use betel leaves cautiously as it may cause oral cancer. Do not use old betel leaves, instead, use fresh new ones because it has medicinal properties that you need. 2. Coconut oil rinse. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that is now becoming popular in the society as one of the effective home remedies for teeth whitening. It uses coconut oil as mouthwash, known to get rid of plaque and bacteria. The lauric acid content of coconut clears away stains from the teeth. 1. Place a teaspoon of coconut oil into the mouth and allow to liquefy. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature. 2. Using the tongue, swish all over the mouth to cover the entire teeth and gums for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Spit out and rinse with warm water. There are no known contraindications for the use of coconut oil as long as it is in controlled amount. Use of large amounts of coconut oil may possibly lead to some issues that are yet to be known and identified. 3. Holy basil plus mustard oil. Dried leaves of holy basil has bleaching capacity that works in lightening yellow teeth and one of the effective home remedies for teeth whitening. It also prevents other periodontal diseases and is considered the herb for complete dental care. Mustard oil is also beneficial in treating the yellowing of teeth. 1. Dry out few basil leaves in the shade to dry. 2. Grind into powder. 3. Use powder to rub into teeth or sprinkle on top of regular toothpaste before brushing. Holy basil is known to be safe to use in short periods of time, up to 6 weeks only. Meanwhile, mustard oil is contraindicated to people who may have allergic reactions to it. 4. Lemon. Citric acid in lemon can help get rid of teeth discoloration with its gentle cleaning and bleaching property. It can remove accumulated stains and streaks for noticeable effect, making it the best at-home teeth whitening agent. There are 3 ways of using lemon. 1. Mix lemon juice with water and use mouthwash. 2. Lemon juice with other teeth whitening ingredients can be used for brushing. 3. Lemon peel can be scrubbed directly to the teeth for instant whitening effect. Use for not more than twice a week to avoid weakening of the teeth. The acidic components of lemon could stain the enamel. 5. Banyan roots. The roots of banyan tree are a natural astringent that makes the best teeth whitening product. It is also known to help strengthen the teeth. Roots that are hanging off the tree tops are used as natural toothbrush. 1. To make a natural banyan toothbrush, a small portion of its aerial root is cut up. 2. Chew the other end to separate and reveal the fibers. 3. Use the fiber to gently scrub into the entire teeth. 4. Discard and use a new one on the next practice. 5. Use regularly. Due to its rarity, There are little details known on the contraindications of banyan roots. It is best to consult a professional healthcare before using it. 6. Strawberry plus baking soda. The astringent property and malic acid of strawberries makes it a cheap and at-home teeth whitening product that effectively removes stains to keep it white. Baking soda is an abrasive but natural cleaner that scrubs away stains from the teeth. It also helps maintain pH level in the mouth to minimize the acid that contributes to breaking down of the enamel. 1. Mash strawberry to extract the juice. Dilute with water and use as mouthwash. 2. Cut strawberry in half and sprinkle with baking soda or salt to reduce acidity and rub into teeth before brushing with regular toothpaste. Do not use this mixture for more than twice a week. Excess use of baking soda can cause damage to the teeth. 7. Bay leaf and orange peel. Bay leaf is considered effective teeth whitening herb and the best at-home teeth whitening solution. Adding orange peel doubles the cleaning effect to get rid of the discoloration. 1. Crush bay leaf into tiny pieces. 2. Mix with orange peel powder. 3. Use the mixture as substitute for toothpaste. Crushed bay leaf is possible to use and is likely safe as long as not taken in the mouth as a whole leaf. There are also no known contraindications in using orange peel for teeth whitening. 8. Neem or Margosa. Neem tree has a astringent property that whitens teeth and antiseptic to get rid of bacteria buildup. It can also cure dental caries and cavities. 1. Leaves and twigs of neem can be chewed and used as natural toothbrush to gently scrape stains off the teeth. 2. Use neem oil with regular toothpaste for brushing to reduce yellowing of teeth. Neem is not advisable for long-term use. It is contraindicated to children, pregnant and nursing women, infertility problems, autoimmune diseases and those who are about to undergo organ transplant and any other forms of surgery. 9. Peelu tree fiber. This plant has been called the toothbrush tree and widely used in most herbal oral hygiene care products. With its abrasive, antiseptic and astringent property, twigs and fibers of Peelu tree are used to clean and whiten teeth, and purify the mouth. 1. The outer bark is used as disposable toothbrush and the fibers are used as toothpaste to brighten teeth. 2. Powder and extracts can be applied directly to teeth. There are little to no information available on the contraindications of the Peelu plant. 10. Babul Charcoal. Extracts from Babul tree are being used in making herbal toothpaste. It contains tannin that is best agent for whitening teeth. 1. Twigs and leaves of Babul can be chewed, or its charcoal form which is an excellent teeth cleaner. 2. Do not use Babul charcoal if there is a known allergy on the product. It should also not be taken by people under the influence of alcohol. Teeth whitening should come with proper care and wary of the products being used. Even natural whitening agents can be harmful to the teeth if abused and overused. The frequency of applying the best teeth whitening ingredients should not exceed 2 repetitions in a week. White teeth are an indicator of good oral hygiene that helps boost confidence.